Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm market analyst Nick Nassad. Today is Thursday, June 18, 2009. The euro-dollar pair, following a period of consolidation overnight, ran up against a downward sloping line of resistance at the 1.40 level. From there, the pair reversed its moves and fell about 100 pips in favor of the greenback. That decline stalled at an upward sloping line of support. The dollar's gains were pushed up by some better U.S. fundamental data and because of announced changes to how the London interbank offered rate is set, with the results helping interest rate differentials move in favor of the dollar. The Euro-Swiss franc pair had an interesting movement today as the pair fell to 1.5010 and then climbed sharply 100 pips to test near 1.5150. There was speculation that the Swiss central bank intervened by selling the Swiss franc in response to its recent appreciation, after saying in their statement today that they had achieved their goals with Forex intervention. The Swiss National Bank kept its 3-month LIBOR target at 0.25% today and said that it will continue to buy corporate bonds. The pound-dollar pair also fell following a test of 1.6470. The pair fell to support near 1.6180, which has held as a low the previous two sessions. Following a rally last week, price action this week is turning into a sideways consolidation. Fundamental news from the UK was weak, and the pair saw its biggest slide right after its releases. In those releases, UK retail sales were shown to have fallen 0.6% in May, the first decline in sales in the last 3 months. On the year, sales were down 1.6%, though sales in May of last year were unusually high. A second release from the UK that measures orders for industrial goods came in lower than expected for June. While 10% of firms reported total order books above normal, 61% said that they were below normal, giving a balance of -51. The US dollar-Japanese yen pair climbed 100 pips today following a test of support near 95.60 during the Asian trading session. The move today was a 38.2% retracement of the recent down move seen the last 3 sessions. That retracement level near 96.70 acted as resistance, stalling the greenback's rally. The Dow Jones Index rose today in the U.S. as the U.S. enjoyed some good fundamental news. First, the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index contracted at the slowest pace in 9 months in June. The index rose to -2.2, much better than expected. It was boosted by an increase in orders and sales. There was a slight increase in new unemployment claims in the week ending June 13th, although the increase to 608,000 from 601,000 was still less than expected. It's the second straight week that claims have been below 620,000, and the number of continuing claims fell for the first time in 17 weeks. Overall, today's data can be a sign that the labor market may be past its most difficult phase. Finally, a third release, the Conference Board Leading Index, showed a second straight month of strong gains, climbing 1.2% in May following a 1.1% increase in April. Climbing stock market, stabilization in the housing market, and higher consumer confidence all work to push up the overall index. Friday is going to be a light day for fundamental news, with only German producer prices coming out overnight and retail sales from Canada to be released tomorrow. And that concludes our broadcast for today. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com, and happy trading.